Hello students, today we will discuss one of the logic programming language, that is Prolog. Topics to be covered in this video are Introduction to Prolog, important terminologies, conversion of first order predicate logic knowledge to logic program, and issues in Prolog programming. Firstly, we will discuss what is Prolog. Prolog is a logic programming language. There are basically two types of languages, that is procedural and declarative language. Prolog is primarily a declarative language. The logic in Prolog is expressed as relations called as facts and rules. Core heart of Prolog lies at the logic being applied. Formulation or computation is carried out by running a query over the relation. Now let us discuss some important terminologies. First of them is fact in Prolog. A fact is a predicate expression that makes a declarative statement about the problem domain. Whenever a variable occurs in Prolog expression, it is assumed to be universally quantified. Note that all the Prolog sentences end with a period, that is full stop. For example, here a fact is given, factorial of 0 is 1, which is universally quantified, that is a universal fact, and this is a way how you can write factorial of 0 is 1 in Prolog. Secondly, a rule is a predicate expression that uses logical implication to describe a relationship among the facts. Thus, the syntax of rule is left hand side implication right hand side. This sentence is interpreted as left hand side if right hand side. The left hand side is restricted to a single positive literal, which means it must consist of a positive atomic expression. It cannot be negated and it cannot contain logical connectives. For example, friends x comma y implication likes x comma y and likes y comma x. Here comma means and connective. Can be read as x and y are friends if they like each other. Thirdly, a horn clause. A horn clause is a clause that has at most one positive literal. In horn clause, the left hand side of the clause is the conclusion and must be a single positive literal. The right hand side contains the premises. The horn clause calculus is equivalent to the first order predicate calculus. Now we will discuss how to convert first order predicate knowledge into Prolog representation. The first rule in Prolog representation is left hand side includes the conclusion and right hand side contains the if part, that is premises. Secondly, variables in Prolog are represented by capital letter, as you can see in this example. X of predicate logic is represented in capital in Prolog representation. Thirdly, constants such as fluffy is represented with small letters in Prolog representation. In predicate logic, if the left hand side contains and connective, then it will be represented by comma in Prolog representation in the right hand side. In predicate logic, if the left hand side include or connective, then it will divide the rule into multiple rules. For example, check the second rule in predicate logic, that is cat x or dog x implies pet x, will be represented as pet x if cat x and pet x if dog x. The last difference is that Each sentence in Prolog will end with a period that is full stop. The last topic is issues in Prolog programming. So the first issue is IO features. That is, the IO features of Prolog is not good as Lisp programming language. The second issue over here is graphics. Prolog in general does not support graphics. An exception is the recently released Turbo Prolog. Third issue is sequence of rules. That is, the order in which rules are entered greatly affect the efficiency of Prolog program. Thanks for watching.